来关心美国德州中部因为落大雨造大水，目前已经有70个人死亡。也若去当地参加夏令营的有12个人失踪，要找无。这一届水灾到当时已经3天啊，当局要拍拼伫咧搜救咧找人。不过，这失踪的人数目前是要真恶估计。
大丛树啊，和大水冲甲规丛漫起来，车也和大水冲甲掉伫咧树仔边。德州沙仑地带伫咧大水侵蚀了，造成伤亡。夏令营、新兵营一个查某囡仔到即马一个找无人，官员讲会继续找。
At present, there's over 400 first responders for more than 20 agencies that are working in Kerr County. We have more than a dozen canine working in and near the river. More than 100 air, water, and ground vehicles are in the field right now working on this search and rescue.
警长讲，新兵营甲其他青年营所在地科尔郡是重灾区，搜救人员自找过到即马已经找到10几具尸体，死亡人数一直增加，其中有真侪是囡仔。伊讲会继续找，一直找到所有人拢找到。其他真侪郡也通报有人不幸死亡。 政府当局即马发人积极，这个长期容易受到大水侵蚀的地区，迄当阵是毋是有发大水的警报？不同时是毋是有做防灾的准备？
The questions that still hasn't been answered 3 days into this is despite TDEM's warning on July 2nd, July 3rd that something like this could have happened, that the threat existed, why that information didn't get down to the camps and why they weren't evacuated. Can you answer that now?
That is a great question, but again, we want to make sure that we continue to focus. We still have 11 missing children that we want to get reunited with our families.
即马已经准一寡受灾户登去找，不过找已经乱糟糟。搜救人员用直升机、水架船也个无人机继续找灾民，并且甲掉伫咧树仔顶的人救来。当局讲有超过850个人伫这边大水发生了的36点钟内被救。 虽然礼拜继续发大水的警报，德州中部雨也阁一直落。美国总统川普伫即天也签署重大灾害宣告，提供必要的资源协助救灾。公司新闻吴文玲报道。